Well, hello there, good people. Hi, Jason here at Green Country Agroforestry. I'm just out here in the grape arbor at the moment, walking about, thinking about the importance of embracing purpose. You know, whenever you embrace the purpose of tending a garden, starting with the trees, but also including all of your vining species. Your flowers, oh yeah, and a couple little vegetables here and there. You can throw in some tomatoes and such. Fruit trees that might take a few years to grow and develop into their full potential. The odd thing that your wife doesn't necessarily like in the kitchen, but you do. I do love licorice. It creates opportunities for other life. The occasional lost and forgotten branch finding roots in new soil. This is what it looks like when a person takes responsibility for tending the garden. And this is what it looks like when you think it's somebody else's responsibility. Yeah, that's dead grass. And there's the boundary. Oh, I can't go any further. I'm barefoot. But look, stickers, eek! Perhaps they don't want to talk. It happens. Oh noise! Oh noise! I got a chip bag over there. I gotta go get that. I'm gonna have to go in from my side though. Eeky eeky. Because there's stickers. Ooh, there's butterweed. Oy. Yeah. Oy. That's a stinging nettle right there. I don't want to step in it, but I can get back here with these guys, and hopefully there's no stickers in here right at the edge, because sometimes the lawnmower will blow and they'll get in here right at the edge of the garden. Okay, so far so good. There aren't any fresh stickers. That could be painful. That's kind of one of the disadvantages of not having an outer wall on this side. I need to get a surveyor out so we can figure out where to put it. Because they want to put a parking lot over there on that side, right? And if they get a parking lot over there, then they won't have to park cars over here, and that will probably help with the sticker thing, I think. So, you know, that's the way the good Lord designed the systems. So that's the way they have to be functioned with, or worked with. Alright, I'm gonna have to come by and do a little pruning there, I think. Yeah. Alright, look, see over here. See, there's stickers over here, because we haven't been working on, and they're right there at that embankment right there too. We can't walk over there barefoot. But we're working on it. We got the start of a little trench there. We'll probably need to hustle rustle, finish that off, top it off. I've got a, let's see, what have I got going on? I got a dumpster coming in on Monday, and then I'll probably see over here too. We got some stickers because we haven't done the soil conversion work over here. That's just like barely concrete, and there's some gaps where things can grow. That's exactly where that sticker grass wants to grow. In any case, we get that cut back, get that stuff up and out of there into the trash so it doesn't seed anywhere. And then we'll put a tarp over this, and this will become our woodshed for the winter. I'm going to move that back out there, get that cleared out. I need to get up along the roof and trim that too. All kinds of stuff. You know, having property. Woohoo! Lots of work. Lots of work, lots of work. And if you're not careful, you don't take care of it properly, well, that's when the stickers pop up. That's right. So, remember that world out there? Well, that's your responsibility too. So get on out there and get growing. Hey, what are you doing? Huh? What you doing, little spider? You can't come into the house with me. Look, you know, spider on my glass. You can't come into the house with me. You can't come into the house with me. Hop up. There you go. Look. There's a whole new world out there. There you go. You don't have to. He's not on there, right? Okay. Hitchhikers.